Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to send and receive any file through Bluetooth. So let's start. I'll transfer this text file from my PC to my mobile phone and then send it back to my PC for your understanding. First, make sure that Bluetooth is turned on both sending and receiving devices. For turning on Bluetooth on your PC, first, go to the notification panel. On most PCs, the Bluetooth option could be found on the notification panel as a shortcut. But if you don't find it here, then go to the Start menu and open Settings. Now click on Devices, and we are at the Bluetooth setting page. First, click here and turn on your Bluetooth. Now go to the plus option to add a new device and click on the first option. Now, here you will be able to see all the devices, but click on the device that you want to add. Maybe the device asks for pairing, so click on Pair. And the device is connected. Now here on the right side, click on Send or Receive Files via Bluetooth. For sending, select this option, Send Files, and choose a device to which you want to send files, and click on Next. Here you need to browse for your file. Click on Browse and choose the desired file and click on Send. And click on Next. Now on the other device, you will receive a notification, open and accept it. You can see the file is transferring from PC to mobile. By using the same method, we can receive files on our PC. For receiving again, go to Bluetooth setting page and click on Send or Receive option. Now select Receive Files. Make sure this receiving page is open before sending a file to the PC. Otherwise, your PC will miss it and you have to send it again. On Windows 10, you don't need to accept files before receiving them. File has been received. You can save it anywhere on your PC by clicking on Browse. I am putting it on my desktop so I can show you. I have received this file. I hope the video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.